Getting children ready to be smarties in life. बच्चों को स्मार्ट तो बनाना ही है ना. Instill in them to take care of their body, mind and spirit. Let them feel the consequences of their action. जो भी वो करते हैं उसका एक्शन का रिजल्ट उन्हें ही फेस करना है. Help them find the purpose of whatever they do. कुछ भी वो ऐसा ना करें जिसका कुछ पर्पस ही ना हो. Must know their own boundaries. अपनी सीमाएं वो खुद निश्चित करें. Stand up for themselves with kindness. Equip them to think for and not just toe the line. Unique ideas to be encouraged. जितने वो क्रिएटिव बनेंगे उतना ही ठीक रहेगा. Value effort and hard work. Learn from mistakes and have courage to correct them. Show them the way and prod them to repeat the task till they succeed in whatever they do.